Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can know if someone is online or not in Snapchat, and it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on. First step, what you want to do is after you open Snapchat, you can click on the person to see if he's online or not. Click on it, and if you click on it, you can see a little emoji icon over here at the bottom or something like that. All right, so if you see that kind of icon or something like this over here, so let's say you see a little cloud icon over here or anything, right? If you see any emoji right above this camera icon, that means the person is online and is currently inside this chat, so he's also trying to talk to me as well. This is the notification Snapchat provides you. But if he's not typing to me or doing anything, then I cannot see if he is online or not, because in Snapchat there is not any feature which allows you to show oh, this person is online, this person is offline. There is no dedicated setting like in Facebook. It shows you active now, active 5 hours ago, but in Snapchat this is the only way. If they are typing to you, that means they're online. If you see emoji, then they're online, otherwise you cannot know. All right, or you can just simply message them. If they reply you, they're online. If they don't, then they're not online. But yeah, this is the only way you guys can know if somebody is online or not in Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.